Okay, family, check this out. So, family, this is the situation. I came to the Overstock outlet. It is closing down. It says the big sign over there, store closing. This is the situation, family. This is when you find crazy deals, guys. Check this out really quick. I don't have my camera on me, so I'm just gonna have to do this from my cell phone, but this is the S9 Galaxy, so we know we rocking good. What up, family? What up? Bow. Check this out, family. Check this out, family. Now, I'm gonna show you guys when I scan one of these. I'm just gonna tell you really quick how I scanned one of those, right? One of these guys right here. I scanned them. The box is a little bit beat up, but that's okay. I scanned one of them, right? And right now, check the sale out. Check the sale out. Look, look. 60% off. I scanned one. They have a sales ranking kitchen of 90,000, which is good, right? Which is really good. Now, at 60% off, I get each of these for $6 a piece. On Amazon, they're selling. I make $11 profit, guys. Did I tell you? Did I tell you? Did I tell you? It's your boy. It's your brother. It's your fam. YouTube family. I told you guys, this is what we do. Let's keep rocking. Let's get those gains. We out. Oh. Listen here, family. Listen here, family. I am back. I know the lighting's crazy. I may look greasy right now, but I am back. All right, family. And I was opening doorknobs with that side of my shirt too, because I don't like touching doorknobs, and I just wiped my face. But I know I am back, family. I don't want to hear the words ever again. I can't. I can't should not be in your vocabulary, family. Okay, when it comes to retail arbitrage, when it comes to private label, when it comes to selling online, selling offline, making $1 million, I don't want to hear the word I can't. You say I can't, you doomed from the start. If you can't, you might as well go fill out an application to Walmart. Okay, and that's with all due respect. I love everybody. I love my family. But I'm just saying, stop stopping yourself before you start. Boom, guys. Come on. You see? You see? I went out today and did it again. Did it again. DJ Khaled over, saying the same thing over and over. Did it again. Now, let me stop. For real, though. Family, I'm back. As you guys can see, I didn't even send in the shipment that I got from the other day, right? That the video I uploaded yesterday or 2 days ago, depending on whenever I'm gonna upload this video. These are the products are still here because it's Sunday, and I'm gonna send those in Monday, so they're still here, guys. And then today, this Sunday afternoon, I walk into a store. You guys seen the cell phone footage? If you haven't, I'm gonna show it right now. So, family, check this out. I'm leaving with this cart. I spent 91 bucks, $91 to potentially make, well, I gotta do the math. And I got this. I found all of this right here. This is from months ago that I never sent it in because I just didn't have a box to fit it. But now look, I got the awkward shaped boxes to fit these awkward shaped products. So guess what, guys? I just made, oh yeah, I just made some money. I just made some profits. Now, the thing is, am I taking a risk? I am taking a risk. This is a risk game. That's the problem. Most of you guys are scared of taking the risk. I could lose all my money. Well, not all of it, because you know I got some in the stash. But I'm just saying, with these products right here, I'm taking a risk. You know why? Because the store was closing down. These boxes are a little bit beat up. I'm not gonna lie, they're a little bit beat up, but I got them more. You guys, I got them for a bargain. They went from $15. No. Matter of fact, they went from $20 to $6. Just because the boxes are messed up. But if you open the boxes, look, plastic, instructions, everything's new in here, guys. Everything's new. It's just the boxes because they've been in the store so long they got wear and tear on the packaging. Same with these guys, but I'm gonna scan them for you in a sec. Let me scan them for you real quick. Well, better yet, I'm not even gonna scan it because I already have it in my history because I scanned it in the store. So just to save time, look, here we go. Here's the same thing we're looking at right here, right? The popcorn maker, the black popcorn maker. Listen, you see that? $17.09 as the profits. Look, I put in $6.50 because I always add tax, and it's $10.59 as my profits on these. Guys, $10 for each one. I paid $6.50. Well, $6 really, and I'm making $10.50 on each one of these, guys. Okay, that's over 100% ROI, over 100% return on investment. Okay, now let's go back. Let's go back. In the oh, this is a cool one. I'm just taking a risk with this one again, but I want to see how this plays out. Look what it says at the top. Discontinued by manufacturer. When you find products like these are home run products, guys. This is a red one, the only red one they had, and I got it for the same price, $6.50. But look at what it's listed for, $71 profit. Is that even real? I mean, this is not my listing. I'm gonna refresh it just so you guys know I'm not pulling no strings. Refresh it again. Listen, look, guys, $79, $99. And used $76. Guys, it's ranked 150 in kitchen, but I think it's because discontinued by the manufacturer. So what I'm gonna do for that product, I'm not gonna list it for 100 freaking bucks. Who's gonna buy a freaking popcorn maker for 100 bucks when they can buy one for 30, whatever the other ones cost? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna list it under that listing, and then I'm gonna list it for maybe 40 bucks, maybe 50 bucks. If it sells, it sells. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But I'm gonna list it. I'm a lowball everybody on that listing just because I got it for, I guarantee, the cheapest price possible. Now, I'm gonna move to the Dixie straws, guys. Let's go to the Dixie straws really quick. I'm gonna find these in my listing where here they go. I bought these before. You guys have seen these in other videos of mine. And guess what I got them for today? Today I got them for $4 a piece. I'm making $9.13 on each of these, and the BSR is amazing. It's 9,000. Guys, let's go. I'm getting text messages. Let's go. I got 4 of those. And I got this from way back. That's going to make me a grip of money. You know, a lot of money, grip of money, whatever, however your slang is. I don't know. I'm just talking. All I know, guys, is look, I did it again. I did it again. Like I said, I'm taking a risk. Maybe I send these in and they don't sell. If they don't sell, well, worst case scenario is what? I lose 90 bucks because none of that sold. But guess what? This one product's going to make me 118 profit. So I'll still make $20 profit off of losing everything if I lost everything. Guys, it's a win-win. You take the risk to win big. That's what we do. That's the name of the game. Guys, I know I'm on 150 right now %. You guys are like, LeVar, what did you eat? But it's a new, this is what it, you guys know. You guys know I got you. And I'm here in this game train too. So listen, that's just a quick video. I did it again. I want to show you guys I did it again. With that being said, that's all I really want to say about this right now. I'm trying to think of some questions I've seen. Oh, that's really it. People were saying that they can't find anything that's hard, like they're getting discouraged, things like that. Some people, other people are killing it. Well, for the people that are just getting discouraged, saying things are restricted, you're just not looking hard enough. Like one of my mentors said when I first started this, he said, "Don't tell me that you can't find anything unless you scanned 14,000 times." Like I know that's how. But in other words, he's saying, don't give up. Don't give up, right? There was people coming to him saying, "Oh, everything's restricted," and he says, "How many products did you scan over the weekend?" Maybe not even 100. Not even 100 products. You got tired at 50. Scanning 50 different products. You got tired. Not even 100. Guys, I scan, but now I have an eye for this stuff. Now I can walk into stores that things I've already bought, and this is the cool thing. Once you get in rotation, a lot of these products you're gonna just refine and refine and refine, guys. Especially if you find your stores, you find your little swag, you find your little routine. Guys, they restock these items all the time unless it says discontinued by manufacturer. But then, even then, you make more money on it anyways. So, there you have it, guys. That's that for the Amazon chapter. Now, I want to talk really quick about the fitness journey. I'm starting another channel with my bro. Guys, go support that. If you are my family, you're going to go support that because it's going to be... You see what I'm on right now, right? That times 10. Times 10, guys. When you go the fitness channel, and it's not just fitness. It's not just fitness. It's the lifestyle. I'm still gonna probably do retail arbitrage on that channel. To be honest, I'm just gonna pay more. Like, I'm gonna go above and beyond for that channel just because it's just my everyday life stuff. Like, I'm bringing the camera with me while I'm showering. Like, I'm just joking because my wife will kill me. But I'm just all jokes aside, guys. It's gonna get real. Go follow, go subscribe to that channel if you're here with your boy. And that is called The Real... Shoot. I keep forgetting, that's embarrassing. And that is called The Real SWOLE Bros. That's SWOLE, S-W-O-L-E, like you guys don't know how to spell. I know you guys know how to spell. Bros, okay? The Real SWOLE Bros. And that's the new channel. There's no subscribers on it right now. There may not even be a video uploaded yet. And I'm just telling you guys to go. I'm going to post a link below, actually. The Real SWOLE Bros will be below every video from now on because I need my family to go check that out because I want to grow something so big. I want to take over the world, and it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. You guys know it's gonna happen. I know it's gonna happen. I'm taking over the world. I'm taking over the world. Look,
that's just my crazy husband.
Success. Success. Hold up.
Babe, stop before we get kicked out.
Oh, by the way, really quick, I am putting together a course for you guys. Now, either I'm going to put together my own course that you guys can purchase for a bargain. I am talking about a bargain. I'm not busting heads. I am not going to charge like $500, $300. I'm not doing none of that, like, because I just feel like I want most people to put their money towards the actual products for private label, because I know how private label is, like, it really will take your money and it's really more of a risk than anything. So I want more of you guys' money to go towards the actual product after you find it, right? So I'm gonna put together a private label course. Or if you want to know the course I took, I will have an affiliate link to the courses I took. And if you guys want to do that, you guys can support me, you know, help me out. And I'll just point you to the direction of the courses I took, which are a lot more expensive. So I'm putting together all the information I got for those courses into my brain and saying it my way, not copying, but there's little things I wish they would have said and would have did that I'm going to do on my course. Or if you guys just want to go find out the information I found out, I'm not a hater. I'll post a link. Just make sure you support me. Click the link, you know what I'm saying, and help me out because it's an affiliate. I'll get a little commission for sending you to the people that I got the course. And this is another thing, guys. I will post a screenshot or a video, not even a screenshot. What I say, screenshot? That's dead. I will post a video of me opening the course and showing you that it's like 99% finished, that I actually did take the course, and I'm not just saying this to make money, guys. You know what I mean? There's a lot of guys out there that's saying, hey, oh, this review on this course, they ain't even take the course. They just want you to click the link so they can get affiliate commissions. Guys, I really took these courses, and I'll prove it. I'm not like these dudes out here. You guys know what's up. It's 100, all the way true, because I'm your family. Let's go. I'm out. I love you guys. Till next time. If you my family, hit that subscribe button. If you my blood family, not only will you hit that subscribe and the bell, you're going to subscribe to the other channel too, The Real SWOLE Bros. Let's go get it.